Your portfolio is bleeding right now. You open your app and everything's red. Down 3%, 5%, 10%. And you're sat there thinking, should I be doing something? Sell? Stop investing? Wait it out? Because it doesn't feel good. And if you're new to this, it feels like you're losing money. But this right here is where most people mess it up. Because I'm in the same position. My portfolio is down as well. And I'm not panicking. I'm not changing anything. If anything, I'm leaning into it more. Because nothing's actually changed. The companies are the same. The funds are the same. The only thing that's changed is the price. And right now, everything is cheaper. This isn't a loss. It's a discount. And this is where people get it wrong. They see red and think danger. But this is literally where long-term money is made. Especially in the UK. We're a nation of savers. People are happy to leave money in cash, wait for the right time, sit on the sidelines. But this is the moment you should be paying attention, not when everything is flying, now. If you've been thinking about investing, but you've been waiting, this is probably the best environment you'll get, because you're not buying at the top, you're buying during uncertainty, which is where the upside comes from. And this isn't new. Every time something happens, COVID, war, inflation, people panic, money leaves the market, and then over time, it recovers and goes higher every single time. Wealth is transferred from impatient people to patient people. And moments like this are exactly when that happens. Because this isn't about knowing what to do. Everyone knows, buy low, sell high. But when things actually drop, people do the opposite. They panic, they sell, they sit in cash, and then they buy back in higher later. So what am I doing? Nothing different. I'm buying the same things, same funds, same strategy, just at lower prices and staying consistent. For me, this looks like stocks and shares ISA, index funds, long term. It's all quite simple because I'm not trying to time anything. I'm just staying in the game. Right now, this is what creates millionaires. Not when everything's green, not when everyone feels like a genius, but when things look uncertain and people hesitate. I also own crypto like XRP right now. It's all over the place, but that's the market. Volatility is normal. Now that doesn't mean throw all your money in or go all in blindly. You still need a plan and preferably an emergency fund. But sitting there doing nothing, that's also a decision. Because the only people who lose in a market like this are the ones who panic or the ones who never get in at all. So if your portfolio is down right now, good. It means you're in the game. It means you're building. And it means you're getting opportunities that most people won't take. If you're feeling unsure, drop a comment. Let's talk. I'm 21, just getting started myself. And if you're building long term, subscribe. I'm going to see this through.